Yeah, so just another project I'm working on here is a 3D printed 500 size AS350 that I've sprayed, and I've done the graphics in the Ode Met police helicopter livery, which they had from 1996 I think until 2008. Yeah, it's looking really good. One thing that's annoyed me is this vacuum form window here. It didn't pull around the mode properly, so I'm going to have to redo that. The graphics I did using the Cricut maker. So this one here, for instance, the great thing on the Cricut is that you've got a print and cut option, so you can pull in this police badge into the software, and you can shrink it down or you know, expand it to any size that you want without losing any quality, and then cut it. It cuts it perfectly around it. And what I did was I printed it onto some paper with a sticky back, and then I put this plastic film over the top and then put it into the Cricut maker, and it cut it perfectly, and then you can just pop it in place like that. And yeah, I'm really chuffed with this one as well. It's another model that's turning out really well, but there's a lot of work to do. I'm going to be doing the floor and sort of like the cockpit, and probably going to put a pilot in there. So it's for a T-Rex or a 500 size helicopter. Yeah, so it's looking really good, really good. Absolutely love it. Yeah, well, anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll upload a video of it flying at some point, maybe this week, don't know. Cheers.